These hoes couldn't test me, even if the name was Pop Quiz. Bad bitches who I fuck with, mad bitches we don't. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Yep, it's another nail tutorial, and this time I'm using longer nails. I'll list them in the description box. So y'all know you gotta start off first by filing down your nails and making sure that your surface of your nails is really rough so the nail has something to stick to. If you haven't seen my previous nail tutorials, I would like for you to go watch those first before you see this one because it's a little bit more detailed. But yes, these nails were popping. My nails always last 2 weeks, okay, before they start to pop off. Alright, but yes, just keep watching this tutorial. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. It's pretty much the same technique. And I'll see you babies in my next video. So yes, here I am done applying all my nails, and you already know when you get your nails done, girl, you be trying to point at everything, shoot stuff, do all kind of unnecessary stuff with your nails, girl. But yes, these nails turned out really cute. The polish was popping, and I'm just trying to show you guys that you can be a baddie on a budget. I spent less than $6 on this nail kit, and my nails turned out great. So like I said, balling, baddie on a budget, okay? But I'm just gonna paint them and continue to watch this tutorial, and I'll see you babies in my next video.
Make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home?